squeegee. Guys, this is so super easy. Look, bam, bam, bam. Nothing sophisticated or hard here today. Just easily covering the silkscreen area with my chalk paste. And then what I'm going to do is, and I don't know if you've known this, I don't know if you know this, Miss Lou, but our detail tool, so it has this little tiny squeegee on that side, which I love. But then on the other side, it has this little cap that comes on and off. And in case you're wondering, I do use this to help me fix boo-boos. But the main thing that this is also for is if you're in a surface like this right here, where it's hard to get your fingers down in the side where the transfer is, you use that little thing to kind of pick up the corner of it, because I'm going to paste and peel. I'm going to make sure I pull it up so that I release my chalk paste onto my surface instead of it drying in my silk